Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to use Binance. Binance is a service by which you can trade cryptocurrency, invest in cryptocurrency. You have your wallet, you have your trade, you have your staking, you have your markets. Just the general interface. Now, this service is not available to use in Texas, which made the creation of this video challenging. But I can still give a pretty solid rundown of the interface. So this is the dashboard where you can look at your portfolio balance, US dollar, and look at everything that you've invested in, basically all your properties that you use Binance to host for you. And there are articles you can look at too that give you news on Binance. And we can see that Binance is a proud member of the Digital Chamber of Commerce, POS Alliance. Yeah, I really hope they get around the regulatory hurdles to allow this service to be used in Texas. But that being said, in Texas, you can still buy Binance USD, and you can still obtain Binance currency. It's a little harder to obtain BNB because it's Texas, but you can do it. Now this is the graph for which you can form your investments. And there are even tools on the screen. You can draw lines, arrows, squares, and you can basically select whether or not the unit is shown monthly, daily, hourly, or sometimes as small as the span of a few minutes. And on the right, we see various numbers, such as the price in USD, amount in Bitcoins, and the total. Basically, various statistics relating to whatever cryptocurrency you look at. All I've seen thus far on this graph that's available to view is Bitcoin and Binance. You could, and if you're in another state except Texas, you can buy and sell. So we see on the top, 24th change, 24th high, 24th low, 24th volume. So yeah, later in this video I'm going to be using Coinbase to obtain the currency. Right now I'm just giving a basic rundown of the interface and demonstrating to you how the interface works. I do need to make sure I'm recording in the correct format. I don't want another fiasco like last time. So I'm going to the buy crypto session. Here I'm going to discover that I can't buy or sell crypto or do anything with crypto because I live in Texas. Please get that fixed. Please, Texas legislator, act as soon as possible. Advanced trading, orders, prices. You can look at the prices of all the cryptocurrencies available. There's even a chart, a market cap, volume, daily low, daily high. So we see Tonic, Elon. So the more people who buy